Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the door and laying it flat so you can work safely and accurately. Once done, measure the tier and mark an overlap of about 1/2 inch so the patch holds. Cut a replacement mesh piece slightly larger than the marked area to allow for tension. This prevents sagging. Make sure you have spline, clamps, and a utility knife at hand. Doing these first steps correctly saves effort later because the patch must align precisely with the frame. You now position the patch centered over the tier and smooth the mesh outward to eliminate wrinkles. This helps maintain visual and structural integrity. Next, secure the patch using spline in the frame groove or a compatible adhesive, pressing evenly with a spline roller so tension is uniform across the seam. If you clamp, keep pressure steady while adhesive cures. Trim excess mesh flush to the frame, but leave a small margin so you can fine-tune tension before finishing. You finish by retensioning the mesh progressively, adjusting small amounts until the surface is taut without puckers. This preserves appearance and function. Make sure all seams and the hinge area are inspected and reinforced with extra spline or a tiny screw if needed, because movement concentrates stress there. If you see gaps, apply a strip of weather strip or a bead of caulk for a clean seal. Finally, test the door swing and latch before rehanging. If the mesh pulls loose, reseat the spline and retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.